Dear students, good morning. We are discussing about Unit 4 Chemical Kinetics. In previous videos, you have learned about rate of reaction, factors affecting rate of reactions. Today, I will discuss law of mass action, rate law, and some terms of chemical kinetics with you. Law of mass action. Law of mass action, first proposed by Goldberg and Weig in 1867, and states that rate at which a substance reacts is proportional to its active mass. Active mass means molar concentration, and the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of the active masses or molar concentration of the reactant. Let's suppose a reaction Na plus Mb gives us product, then rate is directly proportional to concentration of A raised to power n, concentration of B raised to power m, and rate equal to, on removing sign of directly proportional, we have rate equal to K, concentration of A raised to power n, concentration of B raised to power m, where K is constant and it is known as rate constant. It is also known as velocity constant, velocity coefficient, or specific reaction rate. Rate law or rate equation. Rate law, it is an expression showing the relationship between the reaction rate and concentration of reactants. For a reaction Na plus Mb gives us product, rate is directly proportional to concentration of A raised to power n, concentration of B raised to power m. Rate is equal to K, concentration of A raised to power n, concentration of B raised to power m. Rate constant. Let's suppose a reaction A plus B gives us product. Then according to rate equation, the rate is directly proportional to concentration of A into concentration of B. And on removing sign of directly proportional, we have rate equal to K into concentration of A and concentration of B. If concentration of A equal to concentration of B equal to 1, then rate is equal to K into 1 into 1 equal to K. It means rate constant is equal to rate of reaction if concentration of the reactants are unity. Thus, rate constant of a reaction may be defined as the rate of reaction when the concentration of each of the reactants is unity at a given temperature. Some characteristics of K. Different value for different reactions. K can be different for different reactions. A measure of rate of reaction because it is proportional to rate. It is independent of reactant concentration and it varies with change in temperature. These are some reactions. You can write down the rate equation for these. Then next term is the order of reaction. It is a very important term of the unit chemical kinetic. It is also related with rate law. And order of reaction is defined as the sum of the powers of concentrations in rate law. Let's suppose a reaction Na plus Mb gives us product. Then rate is directly proportional to concentration of A raised to power m, concentration of B raised to power n. Then rate is equal to K, concentration of A raised to power n, concentration of B raised to power m. Then order of reaction equal to m plus n. It means it is the sum of the powers of concentration in rate law. Order of reaction can be 0, it can be a whole number, it can be in fractions. Next term is molecularity of a reaction. Molecularity of a reaction is the number of reactant molecules involved in a reaction. It can be unimolecular reaction, bimolecular reaction, intermolecular reaction. In case of unimolecular reaction, only one molecule is associated. In bimolecular, two molecules are associated. Intermolecular, three molecules are used in a reaction. Then reactions will take place in many steps, and steps in which reaction will take place are known as mechanism of the reaction. That is, series of steps in which reaction will take place, that is known as mechanism of the reaction. For example, we have decomposition of N2O5. N2O5 upon decomposition gives us NO2 plus NO3. It's a slow step. N2O5 plus NO3 gives us 3NO2 plus O2, and that's the fast step. And overall reaction becomes 2 molecules of N2O5 gives us 4NO2 plus O2. Then students, note down this thing: rate of the reaction depends upon slow step. It never be depend upon the fast step. It always depends upon slow step. Then difference between order of a reaction and molecularity of a reaction. Order of reaction is sum of the powers of concentration terms in the rate law. Molecularity of reaction equal to number of reacting species involved in a simple reaction. Order of reaction can be experimentally determined, and molecularity is a theoretical concept. Order of a reaction can have fractional value, whereas molecularity always a whole number. Order of reaction can have zero value, but molecularity do not have zero value. Order of reaction can be changed with reaction conditions. It cannot be changed with reaction conditions. For a complex reaction, the slowest steps will gives order of the reaction, whereas in molecularity, for a complex reaction, each step has its own molecularity. Thank you.